Welcome to the Udemy SketchUp 2025 Masterclass. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about exterior modeling, one of the most important reasons which you want to use SketchUp or other 3D modeling softwares. So as the architecture, interior designer, exterior designer, or any type of field of designs, you need to know how you can design a model, especially in architecture, based on the picture or some inspirational idea. I downloaded this photo at the left side from the Pinterest, which if you type exterior design idea or exterior idea or something like that, you can see billions of ideas which will appear for you very simple and easy. So without wasting time, let's get to work and jump into it. This is the first preview of the model, which I tried to model it based on this photo, but from the zero to hero, I want to start modeling it again. So in this case, I'm going to select this model in here, press delete on my keyboard like that. Now I'm gonna start modeling. So in this case, I'm gonna click on the rectangle and draw some number, 9.12 meter. And I'm gonna click on the push or pull option, push it about 3 meter. Press Ctrl because I need second floor with new segments and data. So I'm gonna push it about 4 meter. In here we have some another box. So I'm gonna use tape measure. I think we have some distance till half of this model in here, so I'm going to click on it. And from the downside, I need 3 meter. I'm going to click on the rectangle another time and draw my rectangle like this. Click on the push or pull and push it about 6 meter or 7 meter. Alright, I need the door entrance view for here, but before I do this work, I need my own entrance, which include wood panels design in here. So I'm going to click on the push or pull another time, press Ctrl, generate new segments, and now I want to start my modeling much easier. First of all, in here, I'm going to push it to the backside about 1.4, and you can see what will really happen in here, or 1 meter, because we have some distance in here. And another push or pull about 1 meter in here. I'm going to delete this extra line, and I want to place my door design area in my model. So for this reason, I'm going to delete this tape measured lines. Click on this line in here. Click on the move option. And I'm going to take a copy about 0.44, some number like that. And the door standard for the entrance is, in this picture, something can be 1.5, I think. And another time, I'm going to generate another distance for 0.26 or 0.18. Okay, everything is fine in here. Now I'm going to start my modeling, very simple and easy. So for this case, I'm going to start modeling with the windows at the second floor. So I'm going to zoom on it. As you can see, I'm going to select this line in here, click on the move option, take a copy, 0.3, and take another copy 1.4, click on the push or pull, push it to the back side about 0.2 or maybe 0.3. Take one copy from the downside about 1 meter and another copy from the upside about 1 meter again. Now I'm going to push or pull again, push it to the back side about 0.4, and in here, I need this line, click on the move option, take a copy, 0.3, take another copy, 1.4, push it to the backside, about 0.2 or 0.3, and repeat that copying process for this window again. I'm going to use it, 1 meter, 2, push or pull, 0.4. Everything is fine in here. We have some detail in here. I'm going to add it again. I don't know, maybe it's something like narrow window for the parking or some type of architecture structure like that. I just want to model it, 0.4. Click on the push or pull, push it to the backside, 0.4 again. Okay, everything is fine. This is my door place. So I'm going to select this line in here, click on the move option, take a copy about 0.6 or 0.4. And I'm going to push it to the backside about 0.08 meter. Everything is fine in here. Click on it and make a group in here. Okay, for continuing this modeling, I want to model this profile in here, which I think we can generate it with the follow me option in SketchUp. So I'm going to click on the align option in here, and I think the start point of it is from the front side of the door, someplace like that, someplace like this. So I'm going to draw my line like that, and another line like this. Our lines generated for us. Now I'm going to use rectangle, draw my profile about 0.26, 0.10. Now I want to click on the tape measure and tape it about 0.03. Click on the line option again, 0.07, 0.2, and it's over. Click on the eraser, delete it. I'm going to triple click on this line. This one is selected for me. I don't want it. I just want to use the pass for my 3D modeling. So I'm going to hold Shift, double click, and deselect my profile. Now I'm going to click on the follow me, and this is the final generation of our model. So click on this. I need to fix it a little bit about the size and distance. Everything is fine. Now I'm gonna click on it, make another group in here. So I need some panels, which you can see exactly between this profile and this concrete wall in here. So I think I can use group or component. The choice is yours. You can use both of them, but I prefer to use group in here. I'm going to click on the rectangle and use this profile in here and draw my profiles. 0.12, 0.12, enter, click on it, make a group, click on the move option, move it to the upside, find the middle point, 0.07, and distance it about 0.07. Now I'm gonna click on it, click on the push or pull, and I'm gonna push it like that. Press Ctrl A, take your copies, very simple. I think this is the millennium time I'm telling about the copy option. Select move, press Ctrl, and you can copy your models in SketchUp. So 0.18 in here, and I'm going to take my copy 30x, not enough, 40x, 37x, 38, 39, I think it's enough. Okay. Something like this generated for us, and now everything is fine. So I need, for finalizing my project, model this panels for the entrance. So in this case, I need to be careful about the dimensions, especially in this part and this part, because I don't want any type of misunderstanding in my model. So I'm going to get help from the tape measure tool in here. I can guess the entrance of this place is 2 meters, another 2 meters, and then till end of this wall we can generate it. So I will type 2 meters for here, or maybe some number like 2.88. And from this side to this side is 8.10. So if I want to calculate 2 meters, it's 6.10. Something like that. So I'm going to delete this line, and now I want to start my modeling. In this case, I'm going to use rectangle again, and I want to draw my rectangle panels like that. Maybe 0.04, 2.7. Click on the push or pull. Push it to the front side, 0.02. Click on it, make a group. Now I'm going to push it to the upside like that, but I need some space, so I want to take it like this. Click on the move option, press Ctrl, copy activated for you. And now I want to take some compact copies, 0.06. And now I'm going to type 20x, 30x, 32x, 33x, and it's enough for me. I can get help from the push or pull and change the size of it. This is my first panel in here. The second one can be a copy of it. So I can select it, click on the rotation, press Ctrl, take a rotate copy on the red axis, so 90, and press enter. Click on the move option, move it, customize the place by yourself. It totally depends on you how you want to customize it. Click on the edit group in here, click on the move option, take your copy, very simple, and continue it about 10x or 14x. Click on it, delete it. Everything is fine. And in here we have some distanced panels. So in this case, I want to generate new type of copying system. So I can click on the rectangle, draw my rectangle like that. 0.03, 0.03. Click on the push or pull option, push it to the upside, some number like this. And now I can model it very simple. But these panels are a little bit wider than previous panels. So I'm going to click on it, make a group, Control A, and taking my copies with some distance. So 0.08 is enough. And I'm going to repeat this copy about maybe 40x like this, and it's over. I can select the first panel which we created in here and take a copy to this area. And now I can continue my copying for finalizing my job. Okay. Everything is done. This part generated for us. Now I want to model this wall at the right side, which you can see in here. It's a little bit thick wall, which divide the architectural view of our project. So I need to draw some rectangle like this, push or pull it about 0.32 and push it to the front line a little bit, something like that. 3.4, like this, and like this. Select it, make a group, very simple, and step by step our model generating very well. Don't worry about this black lines. I'm going to show you how we can fix it in the next tutorials. And for the entrance, I need to model it very simple and easy with the rectangle. So I'm going to start modeling this flower box and entrance. Let's get to work it. Okay guys, finally we modeled this exterior house in here, which you can see very simple and easy. So I'm going to show you the final result and you can see how it's going on in here. It's 90% completely similar with this image, and if I minimize both of them, you can see they are totally fine. Only the aspect ratios maybe have some differences, but it's the related to the render. It's not related to that our model is fault or it's wrong. I think it's totally fine. But finally, for end of this tutorial about exterior modeling, I want to talk about some type of data which we need to know about it. First of all, in here, if I minimize it again, you can see we have the block number of this house, 93. So how we can generate these type of models in SketchUp? We have a very handy tool in here, which name is 3D text. If you click on the 3D text, you can write whatever you want. I want to type 93. You can select it, change the font of it. For example, I prefer to use Roboto Condensed Black, and you can change the height of it, for example, like this, or how much it should be extrude, for example, 2 centimeter. And you can click on the place. When you click on it, you can see the number generated for you, very simple and easy. Or you can delete it, 3D text again, this time type 93, but with different type of, for example, font. It totally depends on you. For example, source sans, and press place. And if you select it, click on the scale option, you can rescale it to some valuable and sensitive number, for example 0.7. Click on the move option and move it to this edge and place it somewhere like that, like this. So it's about 3D text, and I think it can be very useful in your exterior design projects. And the number 2 is the these black lines, which you can find it out in our model. And when you zoom out, it's totally black. When you zoom in, you can see the detail. Why it's happening? It's related to the profiles, lines, thickness. How you can fix it? Very simple. Go to the paint bucket. Default tray will be open for you at the right side. You can go to the styles. You can click on the in model. You can click on the edit, go to the line setting or edge setting, and turn off the profile. It will help you to have clear view. If you totally don't want to see any type of blackout, you can check out the edge box, but don't do this work. It's not very standard. You can turn on the profile and reduce the number to the 1. It can make sense. But if you turn all of them off, you will see some type of 3D solid model without any type of line. So it depends on how you want to work with it. I just wanted to show you these options in here. And finally, if you want to set your camera for any type of rendering or I don't know, any type of project visualizing that you want to show, you can click on this option in here, position camera, and select this edge in here like that. The cursor will be converted to the eye icon in here. You can hold the mouse and move it like this, or you can play it like that in this way. Something like this, for example. At the right side button, you can see eye height in the dimension box. It's 2.2 meter, 2.02 meter. Alright, for example, the eye height for me is 1.8, and I'm going to press enter, and now it will be changed for me. If you type 4, it will go higher. If you type 1, it will go lower. So 1.8 is enough. One of the most useful options in SketchUp, new updates and new features, is the field of view. Field of view helps you to create these type of projection in your model. And it works like two-point perspective, but it has some differences. So it completely depends on how you want to use it. And in the field of view, you can type the number you want. For example, I want to type 46 and press enter. After all of them, you can click on the camera, change it to the two-point perspective, and now you have clear view for your project. But remember, if you do the camera and the two-point perspective, the eye height or look around will be changed for you. So I'm going to type 1.8 and now it will be fixed. And if I change it to the two-point perspective, it will be hold 1.8 for me like that. So this is the final view of the project. I'm going to press Ctrl S, and in the next tutorial, I'm going to talk about how we can materialize this building exactly based on the colors in our picture. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your valuable watching. Follow all the structures and practices, and see you in the next session. Bye-bye.